Aspen Residence by KAA Design Group in Aspen, United States. Nestled in the snow-covered valley of Aspen, Colorado, at the base of Aspen's ski slopes, lives KAA's newest snowy getaway vacation home. At first glance, one might never know that this warm modern home was once an 80s duplex and faced very stringent renovation design codes. To achieve this overhaul, it was clear to the design team that big moves would need to be made, and because of the renovation restrictions, they would need to be very strategic. Early on, the choice was made to keep the existing duplexes side-by-side gable roofs and to focus on reinterpreting the overall form. This choice allotted the removal of internal demising walls to create an open upper-level floor plan, with a dynamic mountain ESC ceiling form, as well as opening up and maximizing the gable end views to the mountains and ski slopes with full-height, wall-to-wall glazing. Another part of revisioning and realizing the Aspen residence was crafting a refined, neutral, modern palette that would highlight various formal moves, create a connection between interior and exterior, and set up moments for unexpected, playful, colorful accents. The outcome is new, modern, light cedar siding that pays homage to Colorado regionalism, while the contrasting dark panelized plaster, cool notes of concrete, and dark metal accents allow this home to embrace its new contemporary future. Various moments throughout the project aim to formalize the playful nature of the home as well as create sophisticated and dynamic spatial experiences. As one approaches the front door, the cedar siding begins to peel inwards to create a covered front entry, and a glimpse of a brightly painted metal ribbon stair housed in a louver-veiled glass box appears. Upon entry, impressive three-story board-formed concrete atrium walls greet visitors and become the anchor all floors tie back into. The playful metal ribbon stair dances opposite the concrete wall, encouraging ascension to the upper level where the views to the slopes dramatically reveal themselves.